My friends, it's Coach Vigue, Vogue, but with an I. Welcome to day one of your 30 days of morning yoga program. Today is a total body stretch, all body weight, no weights or machines like the rest of this program. I'm so happy you're here. I'm already sweating. I'm so excited in the beautiful Florida sun. Random question for today. What body of water is the closest to where you are right now? Comment below if you dare. All right, tuck in the shirt. We're going to breathe in the nose and out the nose. And let's begin on our backs. Starting your day with me, Coach Vigue. I'm very flattered you're here. Bring it down. Let's bring the knees into the chest. You can have your head all the way down on the floor, on the mat, or put a pillow or a towel behind you. For any of these flows, modify as needed and always use control. Knees in, and let's circle. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the nose. We want to work on mastering deep rhythmic breath. So when you inhale, and you can practice this anytime, place your fingers on the ribs, on the outside, and breathe in. You want to swell outward, so stretching the rib cage, stretching the muscles in between the ribs, the intercostals, and then squeeze every drop of breath from the lungs. Good. Circle, circle, circle. Massage the back into the mat. Other direction. Inhale around. Exhale at 12 o'clock. And enjoy my new and improved green screen. The lighting's good, isn't it? You can't even tell. Another question I have. Are those ducks real or fake? Okay. Are they real or fake? 3 more times, circle around. Let's set the tone for an amazing day, an extraordinary day. What you do here on the mat, right when you wake up, means a lot. Can make or break the day. Okay, take the tips of the toes down. Arms can be out to the sides or over the head. I'm going to keep mine right here because Florida grass makes me itch. Let's drop the legs slowly side to side. These are called windshield wipers. You're focusing on sinking the legs down and stretching the spine and the sides. Inhale up, exhale other side. We do a constant flow, a constant movement, so that every second is spent doing something very, very good for you, very healthy. So good. One more time each side. Is your spine making some sounds, some interesting sounds perhaps? Okay. To the top. Left leg down or bend the knee. Place the foot flat. Draw the right knee into the chest. Head up or down. A very slow movement here. Draw the knee in, straight in. Stretch this leg out. Getting a hip flexor stretch. Nice movement in your hips and low back. Now inhale, switch. At your own speed. A lot of what we do is active. It's dynamic. It means we're always flowing, always moving through our range of motion. I like that. And it encourages great blood flow in your body, great circulation. This is actually a little variation on a classic Pilates move called single leg stretch. You're going to see some Pilates core work pop up in this 30-day program as well. Because everything emanates from your strong center, the transference from lower and upper body, the transference of energy, of movement. It's all in the core. Very nice. One more time each side. Get that extension, always working to expand what we have when we can do it. Back to the windshield wipers with the option to extend the top leg out. A deeper stretch, it goes down the IT band into the glute. Inhale, center, exhale, other side. That extra weight also forces you to twist further. And I'm a big fan of giving add-ons when they're needed if you want, and also modifications. So you work to your level. Wherever you are, you expand from there. It's a wonderful thing, wonderful thing. And let's do it one more time on each side. Enjoy the blue skies, the clouds, the breeze, the ducks. Lying pigeon pose. This foot flat, or let it extend out, drop down to the mat. We're gonna open the mat. Open this hip. Grab here or here. We're gonna rock this leg side to side. Look at that plane. We're getting some drone footage from that plane. Mobility. We're working mobility in the joints, in the muscles, in the tendons, mobility in the body. Simply put, the ability to move freely throughout your day. No matter what you do, sports, activities, anything, you move with great freedom, great ease and control. Okay, let's drop this leg over, place the foot flat, hand here, and reach away. You could also press this leg back and forth. Nice subtle movements produce great benefits. Uh-oh, my arm's in the grass. Ooh, get the Benadryl. Okay, switch sides. The lying pigeon. Pick where you want this leg to be. Hopefully attached to your body. Bring the knee in, open, and we're off. Actually, a few days ago, I was on my evening bike ride, and I got bit by some in Florida, everything's bigger. Some massive Florida deer, horse, Clydesdale fly. Arm swelled up, and I got hives. They cleared up pretty fast, but within like 2 or 3 minutes, hives, itchy. Oh man, and no Benadryl in the house, but took a cold shower and drank a lot of water and felt better. But oh, it's just such a uncomfortable feeling. I know, I was doing this morning yoga thing and the guy starts talking about hives. All right, place the foot flat, hand here, and we get that nice twist and push this leg away, bring it back and forth. Movement in. How's your breathing? Keep expanding the breath. Fill and completely empty the lungs. Think of squeezing them out. A wet washcloth, wring it out. Okay, my friend, let's come up to a seated position so we can roll onto our sides, press up. Remember, it's not just a series of random stretches, it's a constant flow. A symphony of music. If Mozart did workout videos, I want to think this is how he would do it, or somewhat like this, but he'd do it with an Austrian accent. Butterfly stretch, elbows here, pressing open the hips. Maybe you're up here, maybe you're here, maybe you're here. It doesn't matter. Start where you are. Start where you are. Little practice and consistency makes all the difference. Let's rock side to side. Let the shoulders be back and down. The chest is open. Alignment is so important. Of course, when the body gets out of alignment, we start to have issues, problems, pain. It hinders us from doing what we really enjoy. So keep those shoulders back and down, level them off. And the crown of the head is always lifting up tall. Ah, thank you, cloud. It's like Super Mario Brothers out here with these clouds. Who else got the theme in their head? I just got the theme in my head right now. Bum, 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 bum. All right, let's do some twists. I love twisting. I love building rotational flexibility and space and force. Shoulders back and down. We're gonna exhale, hand here, other hand behind you. And we're gonna make it active. So inhale, arms up. Exhale, pull them down. This arm can also come to the top of the thigh, a little deeper stretch, but maintain a nice tall position. Don't sacrifice form for more, what's the word, range of motion. Keep the form, keep the form. And this hand back here gives you a nice press up, drop the shoulders. One more time, each side. Good, lifting through the body. That's so nice. All right, let's shake out the arms and legs. I love shaking it out, keeps it loose, shake off the rust, takes the pressure off. If you're holding a position for a substantial amount of time, you can release it, let it go. Good analogy for life too, let it go. Let it be. Child's pose. Knees a little more than hip width. Exhale, press back. Oh, everybody's favorite right here. Sway back and forth a little bit, lots of breathing. Let the back relax, nourish the back with the breath and the movement. One more breath. Inhale forward, coming into a baby cobra, also called a sphinx. Palms flat, elbows under the shoulders, extend the legs back, shoulders back, lift the chest, wobble side to side. Feels good on the shoulders, on the back. You're massaging your stomach. Can do little leg kicks. Reminds me of watching Saturday morning cartoons. And right there, there's your cereal. Little kicks, they loosen up the hamstrings and the quads. Face is loose, relax the jaw, the throat. Okay, slide the hands under the shoulders, press up and back, downward facing dog. If that's too much, go back to child's pose. Woo, press her back, relax the upper body. We don't want this, we want this direction. Everything working towards your heels. So you get to massage and open up the whole back side of your body. If you want to add the movement, we walk the legs. Spread the fingers wide, big hands. Walking down dog in front of a lake. Is that the secret? The meaning of life right there? Is that it? Walking down dog in front of a lake? I think we're going in the right direction. Breathe, tuck the chin. Allow your body to relax. Relax into the movements. Okay, bring that left foot forward. We have a low lunge happening. I'm gonna switch the cap here. Whew, why not? Slide the right knee back, stagger the foot and the knee. Let's do a twist. We're gonna twist to the left, hand here, other arm behind you, or bring the arm across, like so. Drop the shoulders, draw this left shoulder back. You can hinge forward further if you like, stretching the ankle, making the foot adapt. All those bones in the foot, the nerves adapting to the movement. Okay, now body straight ahead, arms up, classic low lunge, reaching up and back as you sink down into the legs. And then cactus arms, You'll see this a lot in this program, drawing the arms back. They're at a right angle, flattening it out like you're slipping between a screen door and a door. Man, a lot of planes go overhead here, don't they? Excellent. Step back to down dog. Hold, or again, walk the legs. How long before this grass is over there? There it goes. Oh, this is the stuff. This is the stuff, man. Makes us feel younger, more useful. Definitely more useful in unpredictable situations. Having our body at our beck and call like this. The mind controls the body. Strong center, strong movement. All right, right foot forward, low lunge. Line it up first. Whew, shoulders back and down, a little hinging here. And then twist. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. 3 more breaths. "29 more classes after this." How fortunate are we? 29 more very diverse flows, all body weight. Okay, arms up, straight ahead, shoulders down, hinge and reach up and back. Just a little bit of sweat there, just a little bit. Cactus arms. Open it up a little further. Back bend, elbows back, like somebody's pulling them back behind you. That's so nice. I wrote down a lot of stuff. We'll get to more of it maybe tomorrow, maybe the next day. There's so much to do, so much good stuff. You're like Willy Wonka giving you a tour of my morning yoga factory. Step the left foot forward. Forward fold. Let me give you the front view here, feet hip width. Bend the knees. You can place your hands here if you don't want to go down all the way into the stretch yet. Or come down, grab the opposite arm. Here we go, sway. Release, slowly rising up. Shoulders back and down, shake it out. Brilliant work, my friends. Keep it loose, keep it loose. Woo, day 1, make sure you let me know below which body of water are you closest to right now. I have to know that. Subscribe, like, comment, share, click the notification bell, and fantastic work, my friends. I will see you tomorrow for day 2. Until then. Hey, my friend, it's Coach Vigue once again. I want to give you a special gift to show you how much I appreciate you training with me. It's my most popular 30-minute yoga routine from my exclusive Sean Vigue Fitness Training app. All you have to do is click the first link in the comment section below, and you'll get that video immediately, and I'll add you to my mailing list.